In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Nevada State 2026, step by step. Here's what we'll do. We'll visit the official payment website, look up your case, confirm what paying means, choose a plea if asked, complete the payment, and save your receipt. Keep your citation number, case number, or the exact name that appears on your ticket handy. Any one of those will work. Start by opening the official Nevada Courts Pay a Ticket page. This statewide portal directs you to the correct court. If you already know the court that issued your ticket, you can go straight to that court's payment site, such as the Las Vegas Justice Court for many Las Vegas area citations. Either route works. Next, search for your case. Use your citation number, case number, or your full legal name exactly as it appears on the ticket. Enter the information carefully to avoid typos. The system will display the violation details, the fine amount, and related court information. Review these details to make sure you're looking at the right case. Before you pay, take a moment to understand your options. Paying online means you are accepting the charge. This is typically treated as a guilty or no contest resolution. If you plan to fight the ticket or request a hearing, stop here and do not pay online because payment usually closes the case. If the system asks you to select a plea, choose guilty or no contest to proceed. Some courts will ask for this, others will not. Either choice generally results in the case being resolved and ready for immediate payment. Now pay your fine. Most Nevada courts accept major credit and debit cards online. A small convenience fee may apply and will appear before you submit. Enter your billing details, confirm the total, and submit once. Don't refresh while it processes. Finally, confirm payment, download or print the receipt, or take a screenshot. You may also receive a confirmation email within 24 to 72 hours. Keep this proof for your records and check that your case status updates after processing. Be mindful of your due date to avoid penalties. That's it. You've paid your Nevada traffic ticket online.